How to block someone in Gmail. So to start, we'll have to open our browser. In here, we'll have to search for Gmail. After that, we'll have to tap on this email-gmail. And then once you're on the site, simply log into your account. Once logged in, you'll have to open the email that you want to block. So as an example, I'm going to open a Canva email. And then in here, you have to keep in mind that this process that I'm going to show you works on any email. So to block someone or to block an email here on Gmail, what you need to do is to go on the right part of the screen and then simply tap on these three dots. After that, on the pop-up menu, you will see this block option. Simply tap on this one. After that, you will be given an instruction here. So once you block an email, future messages from that email will be marked as spam. So to completely block the email, simply tap on the block option. So that's how easy we can block someone in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.